Hello guys. If you're trying to connect your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro to an HP docking station, you might be wondering whether both devices will work smoothly together, since they are from different ecosystems. The good news is that most modern HP docking stations support USB-C or Thunderbolt connections, which makes them compatible with MacBooks, but the setup still needs to be done correctly to avoid issues like display not working or devices not being recognized. Because macOS handles external devices differently, a few extra checks may be required to get everything running perfectly. Once set up properly, you can use your dock to connect monitors, accessories, and even charge your MacBook. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to connect your MacBook to an HP docking station successfully. Step 1. Connect the HP docking station to a power source and turn it on. Step 2. Plug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable from the dock into your MacBook. Step 3. Wait for your MacBook to detect the docking station automatically. Step 4. Connect your external devices like monitor, keyboard, and mouse to the dock. Step 5. Go to Mac System Settings and adjust display or accessory settings if needed. Step 6. Check that all connected devices are working properly through the dock.